我们来继续抽出第8。
OK， 来第8奖，恭喜我们的单开镜。
单开镜给
Hi, my name is KJ and I am the homeowner of this house. I don't have theme inspirations for my home. When I first approached my ID, I only shared with them that I want the house to be bright and simple. And this is how my house looks like right now, and I'm very happy with it. My ID is very professional and then very patient, bringing me to the tile shops and the kitchen appliances shop to make the purchase, and they actually guided me with their professional advisors. I came to know about Renopedia is when I was doing some research online and seeing a lot of good comments on Renopedia. The highlight features of my home is my kitchens. I like it very much because it's very spacious. I would recommend all homeowners to look for Renopedia when they are looking for renovations because Renopedia has a group of reliable and professionals ID to help you to ensure your renovations is smooth.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.